Before we attempt this problem, let's think about what a linear equation looks like. And it's in the format of y is equal to mx plus b, which we're going to look at in much more detail a little bit later on this quarter. But let's go ahead and read the problem and try to translate this problem into a mathematical equation, because that's what Part A asks us to do, write an equation for your salary for the year. So let's go ahead and write letter A there. You get a job as an architect. You are given a $5,000 sign-on bonus, which is a very handsome salary. So you're given this in addition to what you're going to get monthly. So let's keep reading. $5,000 sign-on bonus and $5,000 per month. 5,000 per month is equal to, I'm going to use my y as my output, but I could use function notation also. It's just a matter of preference. And we just finished part A. We just wrote what our salary is going to be for a year, assuming that we start January 1st and end the last day of December. Now let's find out how much will you have by the end of the year. Got 12 months in a year, so we're going to put 12 in for x, and then we're going to solve it, and we're going to find out that we're going to be paid $110,000 for that first year, which must be nice. And the next question rather. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky because the wording kind of complicates it. Let's start out with the is. Wherever you see the is, go ahead and put an equals down. Is 618. Now let's look at this part of the question. The sum of three consecutive odd integers. Okay, remember, odd numbers are separated. They're consecutive. They come one after the other, and odd numbers are separated by 2. To go from 1 to 3, you have to add 2 to 1 to get 3. You have to add 2 to 3 to get 5. You have to add 4 to 1 to get to 5. So our first one is x. Our next one's going to be x plus 2, because the next odd integer is 2 away. And the next one is going to be x plus 4. So we're going to do the sum of three consecutive odd integers, x plus 2 plus x plus 4. We're not done yet. It's twice the sum of. We're going to add our like terms. We get 3x plus 6, and we have the 2 here, 618. And we're going to distribute the 2, and we're going to subtract 12 on both sides, and we're going to get 606. And we find out that the first odd integer is 101, so that means our three odd integers are 101, 103, and 105. And we figure that out by plugging 101 in to these x's. And we found our answer.